Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making some Harry Potter pancakes. This is my favorite pancake recipe ever. It is so good and it is topped with a cream cheese whipped cream topping, which I mean like a cream cheese frosting, and pancakes go perfectly together in my book, and it's Harry Potter, which makes it even more amazing. So let's get started. But before we get started, I know if you've been watching a while, you're probably like, why are you uploading on Monday? Because normally I don't. But I am bringing back theme weeks for October, all of October. So if you don't know, a couple of years ago I did them where I'd be uploading every day from Monday to Friday, and everything would be around a particular theme. So because Halloween is so exciting and because I had too many ideas this year, that's what we're doing. So this week is going to be Harry Potter themed, and you're going to be getting a new recipe every day from Monday to Friday. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on those recipes, because there are a ton and they're so good. So let's get started. I can't wait for you to see these recipes. Oh my god. Okay, so we're going to make the decorations first, because once the pancakes are ready, nobody in your house is going to want to wait because the pancakes taste and smell so good. So first, we are going to make the star decorations. So you want to unwrap some red and yellow starburst candies and place them in a dish. Microwave them for about 10 seconds or until they are just warm and malleable. Roll each starburst into a log and place them on a sheet of parchment paper, alternating between red and yellow starburst. Then place another sheet of parchment paper on top and use a rolling pin to flatten the starburst and create one solid piece of candy. Set this aside and allow it to cool at room temperature. Then once it's fully cooled, spray a small star-shaped cookie cutter with some cooking spray and cut out star shapes. Then to make Harry Potter's glasses, melt some black candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl for 30-second intervals or until melted. Place the melted candy melts in a piping bag and snip off the end to create a medium-sized round tip. Place a sheet of parchment paper on a flat tray or a small cutting board. Then dry Harry Potter's glasses with the candy melts. Place the entire tray into the fridge and chill while you make the pancakes. To make the whipped cream, pour the whipped cream, cream cheese, and some confectioner sugar into a bowl and beat with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. So this tastes good because we've added cream cheese, but it also makes it quite a bit more stable. So it will keep in a nice little dollop a little bit longer than just pure whipped cream. Then pop the bowl into the fridge while you make the pancakes. To make the pancakes, combine some flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In a larger bowl, combine the milk, butter, and egg, and whisk until fully combined. Add the dry ingredients and whisk together, but make sure not to overmix. Then divide it into two bowls and dye the batter red and yellow. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and spray with cooking spray. Dollop 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter onto the frying pan and smooth the surface with a spoon. Cook until the surface of the pancakes develops some bubbles for about 1 to 2 minutes. Flip and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes or until the surface has browned. Then continue with the rest of the batter. To assemble your pancake stack the pancakes alternating between red and yellow. Then fit a piping bag with a large star-shaped piping tip. Use a clean, food-safe paintbrush to brush vertical stripes of red and yellow food coloring onto the insides of the bag. And this might seem like a weird technique, but it is so cool with whipped cream. Oh my god, I can't wait till you see it. Carefully dollop the whipped cream into the bag and then squeeze to bring the whipped cream down into the piping tip, and you're going to see that it just like paints the sides of the whipped cream with the two colors. And then just pipe a swirl of whipped cream onto your pancakes and decorate it with the candy stars, chocolate glasses, and some gold star sprinkles, because why not? And you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Check the description box for a hint for tomorrow's recipe, and make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on it. I can't wait for you guys to see these. I'm so excited. This was so much fun to film this month's videos. So, oh my god. But anyways, yes, I love you so much. And for those of you who have watched to the end of the video, I have an extra surprise for you. There's going to be a Harry Potter giveaway this month. I'm going to be announcing it on here and on Instagram in the next couple days. So make sure you're following me everywhere so that you don't miss the announcement and how to enter, because the stuff is good. It's really good. And a couple years ago I tried to do that Harry Potter giveaway, but it like failed so miserably. Long story that I'm not even like allowed to tell because Delta brand. But we're doing it this year and it's exciting. I can't wait. So keep an eye out, and yeah, this is the longest outro in history, but I love you guys so much again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!